Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. I am about to go all platinum again. I posted a video on my channel a couple months ago about how I bleached my eyebrows, but it wasn't a tutorial because that was my first time doing it. So I wanted to do it off camera first and then go from there. So now that I've done it a couple times, I'm finally gonna make the tutorial. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm about to do my hair all platinum, and then I'm gonna also be doing my brows. So that's what this video is about. So I guess we could just jump right into the video. So this is the bleach that I'm gonna be using, the Clairol BW2, my go-to, and then I'm gonna be using 30 volume developer. I usually use the Clairol Pure White 30 volume developer, but really doesn't matter. This is the Divina brand. I actually have a hair bleaching tutorial on a channel. I have a few. This is probably like my fourth one by now, but so I have my bowl, I have my brush. I actually have gloves this time because when I bleach and dye my hair, I never wear gloves. I don't know why, I never had gloves, but now I have gloves, so I'm gonna use them. I don't measure out my bleach anymore. I just mix enough of each so that it's a pasty, creamy type of consistency. But it's about half and half, like half bleach, half developer. That's what usually makes it that consistency. Okay, these are like examination gloves, but whatever. Usually I use about a scoop and a half or 2 scoops of bleach. Y'all, the smell of bleach is so strong. I hate it. But anyway, so yeah, I'm about to use about a scoop and a half because I just trimmed my hair a little shorter, so I don't really think I'll need 2. So this is about how much powder I'm gonna start with. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want to tilt it for obvious reasons. I like to start with less and then make more if I need to because I hate when I have mad bleach left over and I have to waste it. I just hate wasting bleach. And then, like I said, for developer, just put enough so that it's creamy. Like start with less and then add more, because if you just put too much developer in, you're gonna make it too liquidy and you're gonna have to add more bleach powder, and then you may end up having more bleach than you need. So add developer little by little. I just added some, and this is how much it made. It's possible that I might have to make more, but this should be good. So now I'm just going to start on all my hair that's black still, and then I'm gonna go to up here, obviously, because this is already blonde. I'm gonna do it last, so. All right, so now I'm just gonna do this middle section. I do bleach over bleach just because 1, this blonde right here, I wanted a lighter blonde, and 2, because my hair is so short, I don't know of a way to just bleach my roots. So every time I like bleach my whole head again, I just do everything. Also, this is all the bleach that I have left, so I am about to make a little more. I'm probably about to put like one more scoop. Okay, so since I normally bleach my hair at least twice, and this is the last of the bleach that I have, I'm gonna do something that you technically not supposed to do. And that is, I'm going to put on a plastic cap and I'm gonna process it with heat. So I'm gonna put on the plastic cap and then I'm gonna do my brows, and then I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer. Okay, so here's how I'm gonna do this for my brows. This is what I have left in the bowl, and I'm gonna take a little spoolie, and I'm gonna dip this in here and brush it onto my brows. So now I'm just gonna wipe the excess from around my brows, only because one time when I did this, I really like burnt the skin around my brows, and I am not trying to do that again because then it made scabs and it was not cute. So I'm gonna just clean this up a little bit. Okay, so I am going to go sit under a hooded dryer for at least 30 minutes, at least until I feel like it's a color that is light enough for my liking, and I will come back and then show you guys how it looks before I wash it out. All right, y'all, I am back. I let all of this sit for about an hour, but I only used heat for about 15 minutes. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. My brows look pretty blonde. I don't know if you can see. And then here's what my hair looks like. So it looks pretty yellow, which is what I usually try to avoid, which is why I try to bleach my hair platinum, so I get all the color out, so there's just no grassiness, no undertones left, no nothing. So it's probably gonna wash out pretty yellow, meaning I'm probably gonna have to tone it. So I'm gonna go wash it out and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is how everything looks right now. My brows aren't as light as my hair, but it's okay. When I had to bleach my brows last time, I had to do it for so long. I really don't understand why it takes so long, but it's okay. I'm about to dye my hair anyway. I originally was gonna go for this all platinum look, and then I did it and I was like, you know, I actually am just gonna dye it. So these are my results. I did trim my hair again after I bleached it, so it is a little bit shorter, but yeah. And then I have it parted right now because how I'm about to dye it is about to be half blue, half purple, and then it's gonna be split down the middle like a diagonal. It's gonna be interesting, so stay tuned for that because I have a video coming for that. One thing you guys are probably gonna ask is if bleaching your eyebrows burns. It doesn't burn with 30 volume developer. Last time I used 40 volume developer, I don't even know why. I think I felt like using a higher volume for less time would work better, but it didn't work. I mean, not that it didn't work, it did work, but it really burned me. Like, y'all know how I was saying I burned the skin around my brows. That didn't happen this time. Also, it was burning so bad with the 40 developer that I had to keep taking it off and putting it back on. This one, I just sat with it the whole time because it didn't burn. It itched a little bit, but nothing unbearable. My hair, this is how light it got. I also did use the purple shampoo. You want to be careful with purple shampoo though, because if your hair is too blonde or too white, it can tint your hair purple a little bit. Yeah, y'all, this is how it came out. I really don't know what else to say, so if you guys have any questions, just comment and I'll answer. If you're not already following me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now at Janai Kirsten. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.